Welcome back to another video. This will be regarding DaVinci Resolve. So how to speed up a certain part of a video. So I received the following comment that the audio doesn't move together even though they are linked. Now let's jump within DaVinci and see. So within DaVinci Resolve I have the following video. This is the starting point of this video, so I'm going to add it over here. I will just scale it on the X like this to fit, and let's take a look. Welcome back to another video. This will be regarding DaVinci Resolve. Okay, and let's say that we want to speed up the video starting from this point. With the video selected, right click, go to Retime Controls, and we have the following drop down over here with 100%. I will add a speed point over here, and afterwards, if I will go, let's say, over here, I will add another speed point over here. And now all that I have to do is to change the speed over here. So for example, if I will go with 200%, we're going to see that both the audio and the video within this section will be speeded up. So let's listen to that. DaVinci Resolve. So how to speed up a certain part of a video. So I received the following comment that the audio does. Okay, so we see how that has been speeded up. We can go slower, 50%, and they should be synced since the video is linked to the audio. So how to speed up a certain part of a video. Okay, and if you want to go back, you can just reset to 100%, and this will be the default. So how to speed up a certain part of a... Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.